morning. My name's Tommy Campbell, Regional Manager with Kloeckner Metals. Here today, we're at CNC, Charlotte, North Carolina, on the Black Satchel location. And today I want to share a very important milestone with one of our employees, JD Inman. JD will be celebrating 48 years with Kloeckner in October, and he'll be retiring in December. So we want to wish him well. Very unique milestone that most people do not share. I don't know, personally, I don't know many people that have worked 48 years for the same company. So very unique story. I have a few questions I'd like to ask JD, and he can share his story, and you can gain some insight on his career at Kloeckner Metals. So JD, tell us when you started at Kloeckner.
I started on my birthday in 1973, October the 16th. And that was my birthday. And my daddy told me I had to go to work.
How old were you when you started here?
18 years old.
18 years old.
18
and
years
you've been
old.
here ever since?
Been here ever since.
Wow. So obviously it wasn't Kloeckner in those days. What was the company?
It was Edgecombe Steel when I started, off of Graham Street. And then we bought this place, or they built this place in 1976. So I worked 3 years over there and come over here in 76.
And been in this facility since 1976.
Right here.
Wow. Very neat.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you've seen many changes in the 48 years that you've been here, other than the change of
a lot of changes.
Tell us about some of those changes, some of the different processes we might have done here through the different years.
Well, we used to have burning, a lot of burning, over in a different bay. And then we went to coils for a while. And then they started going to light plasma and upgrading. We did a lot of shearing. We used to have about 5 shears over in Bay 4.
Wow. So when you came in the door at Kloeckner, what shift did you start? What was your first job with Kloeckner?
Well, my first job was in sheet bay, and I started, my pay was $3.25 hours, and I started on second shift.
Wow.
And I worked three years on second shift. And then finally I went to first, and I was a stacker crane operator. Then I left the stacker crane operator and I went to being in maintenance. I worked on the cranes, shears, all the equipment. And I did that for about 17 years.
Wow.
And then I hurt my hand one time, and I got off of it and went back to sheet bay. And I've been in sheet bay and plates the rest of my time that I'm here.
So JD, it's unusual somebody would work for the same company for 48 years. What kept you here for so long?
Well, my daddy worked here. William Inman, that's my daddy. My cousin, Sherman Inman, worked here. Both my brothers worked here. Alan and Kenny, they worked here for about 15, 20 years. My daddy retired from here, my cousin retired from here. And I had good friends here, good relationship. And the people here was great, so I had no reason to leave. And plus, I didn't live but 3 miles away.
There you go.
So it didn't take me long to get to work.
Very good.
But that's the reason, and it went fast, so yeah, just good people, working around good people.
Do have another question for you. After 48 years, what are your plans for retirement?
Well, I got a beach house, and I'm planning on going down toward that way. And I'm trying to find me another house now close to my kin people. That's 37 miles from my beach house. And I'm planning on doing some fishing and hunting and sit back and enjoy life.
Well, JD, from me and the entire staff at Kloeckner Metals, we want to say thank you for your long service. Job well done. I can tell you that I'm a big believer in people. If you got strong people, you're going to have a strong organization, and that's certainly the case with JD. So thank you for all your hard work and everything that you brought to Kloeckner. Congratulations, and thank you again.
Congratulations. I'm proud to work here.
Yes, sir.